big one.
Yeah, we'll be out here a while. That's a long ways.
It's probably gonna take about an hour to get. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
It's going faster now. You're gonna have to do something, dude.
You're gonna have to lock him down at some point.
You want to put in a strike?
Oh wait, stop.
What's going on, guys? So this is Lords the PCB, and we are currently going shark fishing. We're going to be trying to target a tiger shark. That's my friend Colin up there with the kayak. We're in the Mustang, seeing if we can try to catch a tiger shark. This may be a failed trip, not really too sure, just kind of seeing what we can do. Been working a ton, so been telling myself I really want to get out here and enjoy the ocean. We're sitting here in March. The ocean's still kind of cold, so just hoping that we can catch something, you know, something for the best. So looks like Colin's turning. We're going to get some bait, and we're going from here, seeing how things go. But not really too sure what I'm gonna do with this video, so just hoping for the best, I guess. So, but yeah, see what we can get. So we got the bonitas. They're right there. So I guess that's what we're gonna be using for bait. So hopefully that goes well. So currently here at the spot. That's my friend Zach. And it's Kayla. My friend Colin is about to come out this way, but we're here gonna start setting up, and hopefully we'll have some good results, but who knows. So what's up, man?
Hey everybody, welcome to my vlog. We're here at Beach.
Oh wow.
Look,
I don't know why I
took
did
me
that.
all the way out there.
Yeah, I don't know why I did that.
In some fucking residential ass neighborhood.
That's wild.
Yeah.
What's up? Oh my God. No dogs on the beach. Violation we passed 500 hours. Damn, I almost thought about bringing Gotti. Almost did. You think we'll catch something?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Dude, the sand is cold.
Dude, it's cold, man. I should have worn some socks.
That's what I was thinking. Fuck. What?
Huh? No.
There, go up the trail.
Huh?
Go up the trail. Well, I hope we get something.
PCB doesn't know how to give directions.
Who's gonna carry the boats? Who's gonna carry the boats? Shit. 100-pound kayak.
But I don't want to. That bitch is 100 pounds.
So this is still the process of going shark fishing. It is a huge task, and not only to become empty-handed. All right, you ready? Got everyone here. Got this rigged up, ready to go. Got some big bait. Not saying. Hopefully catch something. So I dropped the bait out at about 400 paddles out in the ocean. So hopefully we'll have some good results, but it all could be for nothing. You know, that's the way fishing goes sometimes. You know, sometimes you just gotta have luck. But I think at the end of the day, I think what matters is getting out here, enjoying that I'm not working. I'm living my life to the maximum possible. And I think that's all that matters, you know? You know, sometimes I think about that when I'm on my deathbed, you know, what are the days that I'm gonna remember? And is this gonna be one of those days that I remember that, you know, it's reminiscent about my past before I die. Think about the times I went shark fishing, paddling out, seeing if I was gonna catch a big shark or was gonna go empty-handed. So I think that's really what all matters is sometimes you got lucky, sometimes you don't get lucky. But at the end of the day, I'm working out, having fun. So I think that's what matters. You know, I don't think that people should let hobbies intimidate them. You know, it's all about just getting out here and doing it. Even if you don't know what you're doing. You know, sometimes, like how shark fishing has been a massive learning curve. And I feel like I'm finally starting to get it, but you know, sometimes I don't get it sometimes, so it's all about learning. If you're alive, you're learning. I think that's what matters. We are going shark fishing. We are the lords of PCB, and we do shark fishing. This is how we do it. Nighttime shark fishing. Oh God. Yeah, I know it's cold. But they're out here. They're definitely out here. Zach, you met my dad, right? Yeah.
That's orange, right?
Yeah, you said, Zach.
What?
You said, hey, Zach.
What's up, Zach? How you doing, bud? Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, good to see you.
What's up, Saint? He's a future lord. You're a future lord of PCB, Saint. You're a future lord. Just like me.
And go join Rad Saint X.
Repping the own show.
Yeah?
Yeah, too.
Go check us out for precision flight training. You want to fly?
So we haven't had any luck. I want to say it's about 8:44. Still no shark. So currently nothing yet. Hopefully something will happen. But yeah, we're all just hanging out, enjoying our time, just living it to the max, I guess. So
He hasn't,
No
he
fucking
hasn't
way.
hit the hook though.
Well, tighten it up. Tighten it up a little bit.
hang on. Let it take it. Let it take it.
Nolan just got it in his mouth right now.
I told you that light was moving. Oh shit.
Nolan got it. Mark, you in a bad spot standing right there.
I'm good with it. It's fine.
Someone's got it. He's
Y'all
taking
think
it.
something on it or y'all think it's the wind?
No, did you see
Something
that?
definitely got it.
Look at
He's got a big old weight
He
on
just,
that.
what they do is they grab it in their mouth and then they just swim with it. For
So
He's swimming right now, slowly.
Holy crap.
okay, well if we put it in strike,
Why isn't it making noise right now?
because it's braid.
No. I'm talking about your drag. Like that, bzzz, you know, that it should be making
Hang
a
on.
sound.
How long has it been rolling like
Oh,
that
is it
for?
still
Not
rolling?
long. Not long.
Let him play with it a little bit.
You just take everybody. It's a big one.
Yeah, we'll be out here a while. That's a long
Yeah,
ways.
this probably gonna take about an hour to get. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
It's going faster now. You're gonna have to do something, dude.
Yeah, you're gonna have to lock him down at some point.
You want to put it in strike?
Oh, wait, stop.
Hold on.
Hey, get that rod. See if you guys can reel that with the rod.
It's not small.
Hey, do you guys? you fucking serious? Hey, hold up! Hey, hold up! Hey, hey!
Where'd he go?
Right there.
Yep, got what he came for.
Woo!
Freaking tiger shark.
Dude, no fucking way. Beautiful, huh? Watch out, dude. Watch out. Dude, do you see this? Yeah. Damn, dude. Holy shit. Dude. Oh my god. Where's he at? Where's he at? We got it.
Tail rope's right here.
Sucker on it too. See it on the back? It's a sucker fish at the side. You see it? Right here. Like right underneath that rope on the side.
Oh
You
yeah, I
see
see it.
it? Careful.
You got your foot.
Okay, here we go. All right. Release.
Bro, he's so slimy, dude.
Oh yeah.
I can't get it on my hand.
There he goes. Don't come back in.
Well, we did it. We caught the tiger shark. The tiger shark that we caught that, you know, hopefully it's on video. So, yeah,
Very
Lord's
slimy.
PCB. We caught a tiger shark over here, like I said, what we're going to do.
Like, sub, subscribe, comment on the video, you know.
Yeah. And hopefully there's more videos to come.
Yeah.
So, I guess we'll be doing other stuff out here. So, I guess later, guys. This is us, Lord's PCB.